In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check the e-file status on TurboTax. Whether you're anxiously waiting for your tax return to be processed or simply want to ensure that everything is on track, checking your e-file status is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll want to navigate to TurboTax Online for the year 2025. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the TurboTax Online website. Make sure you're using the correct link for the 2025 tax year to avoid any confusion. Once you're on the site, log in with your credentials. If you haven't logged in before, you'll need to create an account, but assuming you already have one, just enter your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you'll want to look for the section labeled Tax Home. This is your starting point and is easily accessible from the main menu. Clicking on Tax Home will direct you to another page where you can view all of your tax-related information. It's your central hub for everything tax-related, so it's good to familiarize yourself with this area. Now that you're on the Tax Home page, the next step is to find the link or section labeled Tax Returns and Documents. This is usually prominently displayed as it's a key feature of the TurboTax interface. Click on that and you'll be taken to a page where you can see a detailed overview of your tax returns and any associated documents. On this page, you will find the status of your e-file. The status will tell you whether your tax return has been accepted, rejected, or is still pending. It's important to check this regularly, especially during tax season, to ensure there are no issues with your submission. If your e-file status shows as pending, it simply means that your return is still being processed. However, if it shows as rejected, TurboTax will provide an explanation and steps you can take to rectify the issue. This ensures that you have all the information needed to successfully complete your filing. And that's it. You've successfully checked your e-file status on TurboTax. Remember, keeping an eye on your status helps you stay informed and gives you peace of mind as you await your return. If you have any issues or further questions, TurboTax offers a wealth of resources and support to help you navigate any challenges you may encounter. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your tax return.